Hi everybody, it's Auntie Lisa and I'm continuing the program on making an herbal soap, and I've added licorice and rose hips to this pot, and the rose hips have a deep pink color and it will turn dark brown depending upon how much you use, and I just decided to use it full strength today. Now I have the secondary herbs right here that are for soothing and healing, and these are the red clovers and the calendula, which is common marigold, and then I have marshmallow roots right here. I'm not going to bother to put them in the blender because I'm not trying to squeeze any oils out of the seeds. I'm just going to put them right into my water here. And by the way, what I have for water is it's more than half a gallon. I don't want to start with a whole gallon of water because I may end up adding more water later, but the reason why I don't want to start with the half gallon is because to make one batch of soap I need 12 ounces, and I really don't need to have tons and tons and tons of water. But what I could do is, as it's cooking and it cooks down, I can add more water to it. I can do that. You know, the fluids will be reduced. So anyway, I'm going to let this cook, and I'm going to get as most as I can out of it, and then I'm going to use it with my soap. Alrighty, now I'm just teaching soap making today, but with herbs, if you wanted to use this in other ways, you could put the herbs into glycerin and use it on your skin. In fact, I'll try that in the future, but right now I'm just making the herbal soap. If you have any questions, let me know.